Hey, what's up? I'm Jesse.
And I'm Addy.
And we're with the Jesse Peters team at Remax One Group, and we are getting social savvy out in sunny St. James today.
We sure are, Jesse. We're located at 480 Moray Street, and you're not going to want to miss the top 5 reasons why you're going to absolutely love this big bungalow.
So let the countdown begin. Number 5 starts with my favorite, the heart of the home, where the action happens. And this layout of this bungalow at 480 Moray is dynamite for it. Starting with the kitchen. It's huge! Plenty of counter space and lots of opportunity to sit down with the laptop or a quick morning breakfast. Plus it overlooks the eating dining area. Plus it overlooks the living room. I just love it. Now let's find out from Addy what number 4 is.
Number 4, the updates done in this home. They're so long, I have to look at them. 2005, shingles. 2008, kitchen and bathroom reno. Furnace done, windows done. 2012, fencing was done. 2017, the garage roof was done. And in 2018, the hot water tank was done.
Check, check, and check. Now let's go see what number 3 is.
Number 3, the basement space. The beautiful thing about bungalows is the square footage on the main floor typically matches the square footage in the basement. Now take note, the massive rec room, 2 other rooms with good closet space, a 3-piece bathroom. Just imagine the kids down here playing hockey, working out, watching the game, and take note of the ceiling height. I'm 6'1". These are 7.5-foot ceilings. Incredible. Now let's go see what number 2 is.
Number 2, the location of this home. Nestled in the community of Silver Heights, this home is close to everything. Easy in, easy out. Quick route to Polo Park, quick route over to Charleswood. It is convenient. And if you're a family, here are 3 things you should know. You are walking distance from 3 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and a high school. Awesome! Plus, bonus, this covered porch. Now let's go see what number 1 is.
And number 1, the massive backyard space. You got deck space, green space, you even got space for a trampoline. Plus a double detached garage that is massive with back lane access. Seriously, unbeatable out here.
So, thank you for checking out our top 5 reasons why we think you will love 480 Moray Street. And if you want to check it out more, where can they go, Addy?
Right here.
Boom! There's the site. Check it out, love it, share it. You know the drill. This place is awesome, and it can be for you as well. And,
Hold on.
There's one more space.
There is.
You know the drill.
I know the drill.
Get in it, Addy. Bonus space, patio space, hockey space. Light them up. Oh, we missed the net! Oh, we got pumped! Oh, we made saves! Folks, we love what we do, and you know the drill. Stay social. See ya!